Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So let's take a look again at this daily euro currency chart. So it's not much has happened from the previous trading session. We said that trend holds bullish, as you can see by the MACD indicator. Market has not quite reached the 100% extension of that retracement pattern A, B, C bottom. Here market has hit 618 target of this pattern, and now the 100% stands a bit higher. So some traders draw this pattern a bit different. That is the first initial pattern. You could also draw it as A, B top, C bottom. In this case, the 100% extension target will stand around 128.15. It's right here. But this is not big difference between this. In general, that area is an area where market, I suppose, gravitates to. It's 127.70 area. Circumference resistance on the daily time frame. That is also in agreement with this ABCD pattern. This retracement seems absolutely logical in terms of the weekly time frame, since on the weekly time frame market has hit the oversold, and after hitting of the oversold, ABCD shape of the retracement is quite common, and you could meet it oftener than just single leg retracement and continuation to the downside. So yesterday we have supposed that probably market could drift a bit lower and in somewhere in an area of the weekly pivot support 1 slightly higher, since we have taken into consideration the same swing distance as it was previously, the previous price session. But that hasn't happened. Market has done some attempts to proceed lower around the weekly pivot point, but has failed and turns to the upside. Later it has hit our level of resistance level. This is weekly pivot resistance 1 and daily watch. So we still have the bullish context. We still have target that market still hasn't reached yet, stands above the market, and that gives us some confidence that probably market will try to hit it before reverse, and if it will reverse to the downside. In other words, I don't want to say that it has to happen that market will reverse around area of confidence, but the chances that market will reverse before it will hit it is very insignificant. So I suppose that market will hit it first, and then only after that we could even think about this potential reversal. But will it happen or not? It's currently very difficult to say. On the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? Our parallel channel still works. Yesterday's price action here was absolutely the same as was here. You can see market has touched this level and go to the upside. So that was again gap up open, touch this level and continue move to the upside. So here we could get another butterfly pattern. As we discussed it with this case, we also draw it by the first wing when it has appeared. That is also could treat it as the first wing of this butterfly, and further price action could happen according to this. This is just an assumption that I would like to share with you. You can see that market has held around confidence support area, weekly pivot point, so that area that supports market, and continue move to the upside. Now, speaking about the potential destinations of the further upward continuation, what do we have? The 127 extension of this pattern stands at 128 area sharp. Also, if you'll measure the 1618 of the previous butterfly of that swing, you will get the 1618 extension slightly higher of this area. So the 127 extension of that butterfly and 1618 of this swing stands in the same area. The 1618 extension of that butterfly stands around 125. Suppose it breaks approximately 128.55, somewhere in this area. So if market will complete this butterfly, it will simultaneously hit the target as this initial pattern, as this pattern, and take a look. If it will happen today or tomorrow, probably market will hit daily level of our bot, and that will be the reason to the searching for the sell signals on the intraday charts. So this will be the short-term bearish bias, since market will hit our bot, market will hit different targets at solid area of resistance, and if it will happen, then we will search the possibility to enter short on the intraday charts. Possibility some pullback from this level, or even it could become the reversal, since ABCD pattern will be completed, weekly trend holds bearish, so that is just the retracement in terms of the weekly time frame, and there are some chances that market could finish it right in this area. So on the hourly time frame, what we see, that is our wing of the butterfly. Trend holds bearish on the hourly time frame. Right in the area of resistance and daily overbought and weekly period resistance 1, we have nice bearish engulfing pattern. The minimum target of the bearish engulfing pattern is the length of the bars. So that has counted it to the downside. You can see this is line shows the close price of this bearish engulfing, right? And that is the distance, the length of the bars that I count to the downside. That is the minimum target of this pattern, and probably it should be hit. So you can see that this target stands precisely in an area of hourly confidence support 126.54, 126.64. So if you would like to trade it on the long side of the market, since we have 4-hour time frame trend on the bullish side as daily time frame, so probably market could proceed higher. As we suggested, it has some gravitation to the upper targets. This also could be the butterfly. So keep an eye on this level, since here market could show some reversal, because yesterday, if you remember, that also was the confidence support on the 4-hour time frame. So market has tested it, has tried to move to the downside as we suggested, but has failed there, here, and turns to the upside. So that could be quite the same story, but on a bit lower time frame, on the hourly time frame. Although butterflies very often shows the deep retracement of the second wing, usually minimum the 618, as a rule 786, even lower. But sometimes happens that market could show even 3-8, just 3-8 support, 3-8 resistance, 3-8 retracement by the right wing and continue move to the upside. This also could happen. So, as a conclusion, it has been said that in general we still have the bullish bias, we still have some targets above the market that hasn't been hit, and probably price will gravitate to these areas. If it will hit it around 128 area, that will be solid resistance, and we will have to search for the possibility to sell. But this will happen probably today or even tomorrow, probably till the end of this week. Today, if you want to take part in the upward continuation, take a look and watch over the area around 126.50, 126.60 area, since this is the confidence support. This is the target of the bearish engulfing pattern, and that could be support that give the market possibility to continue move to the upside. If market will break this level, then probably the next level to search is 126.23, since this is 618 support of that swing to the upside. If our butterfly will appear and did. So that's all for today. Keep an eye on these levels, and if you do not want to take the risk of the upward continuation, since market really stands relatively close to the level of our bot, so you could just wait when the market will hit that area, since the entry on the short side of the market from this level will be significantly safer than take part in the current continuation. Well, that is just up to you. It depends on your trading system and your risk aversion, so decide by yourself. But that is two levels to watch for: 126.50, 126.60 support. The potential destination is around 128 or 128.50 area, depending on where this butterfly will complete.